Are you working in Excel documents or in other Microsoft 365 apps and it always crashes or it becomes very slow? Let me show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you want to close every Office app, open your device, and then let's try to open our run command and then enter the following. I'm going to enter the application wizard.cpl and hit OK. So it's going to take me to programs and features. So here you can see we have the programs and features. And on this device, I don't have so many apps installed, but here we have the Microsoft 365 apps for business. And you can see we have different options. We can actually uninstall and then change. You don't want to uninstall this app. We want to actually fix the problem why this app is becoming very slow or it crashes anytime we try to modify a document, for example, in Excel. So what you want to do is click change. So when you click change under the user's account control, I'm going to say yes. So here you can see it's going to ask me, gives me different options. It's going to say, okay, do we want to do a quick repair or do we want to do an online repair? Let me tell you the difference between these two. The quick repair is going to use the Office on your device to actually fix the Office problem. So it's going to actually try to reinstall Office, but using the Office on your device. That is why it says you don't need access to the internet. But if you try to do an online repair, it's going to fix all issues, but it's going to take a longer time and it requires the internet connection because it's going to actually try to re-download the Microsoft Office 365 apps from Microsoft and try to actually reinstall it back on your device. But the good thing about this is you are not going to lose any single file on your device. So all your file will still be safe. So what we need to do is we can actually go for quick repair or online repair. So let's go for quick repair and then quick repair. But I'm not going to do the online repair. But mind you, if the quick repair does not fix the issue, you can always go for the online repair and try to see if that fixes the issue. So let's click repair. And then we want to say repair now. So but mind you, before you click the repair, you can see it's going to actually, if you have not closed any apps that is open on your device, this repair is going to actually try to close every single app. For example, Outlook, Excel, or Microsoft Word will be closed before this can take place. So let's wait for this to complete and come back again. Here we go. You can now see it says done repairing. So we have finished repairing your Microsoft 365 and Office programs and future. So we can now close this. And I will always advise you to restart your device and then try Office again and see if that helps. If you are watching this video and the problem is not fixed, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will try to give you some other options to actually fix Microsoft Office. I've been working as an IT system administrator for the past 12 years, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video.